When you try to use takeUntilDestroy in ngOnInit, you will get this beautiful error that takeUntilDestroy can be used only within an injection context. Basically what it's saying is it needs to have a destroy ref, and when you're using ngOnInit, it's already late for it to get this destroy ref. So the first solution is to put it into the constructor. And it will work, the error goes away. The problem is we're kind of moving forward from constructor because you will have this inject context, and it's kind of redundant to use it in constructor. So the second option is to pass it manually. So let's have our destroy ref, and we need destroy ref. And we are moving from constructor into ngOnInit, and here pass this destroy ref. And the error will also go away. What kind of approach to use? It's for your project and you decide. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.